Them and them bitches has got it, cause I took a gym. Give him a job and he gave me a rim. It was too long, so he gave me a min.
What's up, pretty gang? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. And if you ain't gang, you can't hang this on period. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and y'all already know what's up. So as y'all could tell by the title or whatever, I'm showing you how I got that color. I'm showing y'all in the beginning of what it came out to look like, and this is just the consistency of the bleach. Damn, I'm moving too fast, like I can't even talk. All right, so that's the bleach or whatever, and then here I am about to highlight it. And y'all, this shit came out nothing like it was supposed to be. Like, I'm gonna post up pictures on the screen of what it was supposed to look like. This came out nothing like it was supposed to look like. But anyway, as y'all can see right here, I'm taking out these little pieces to put the highlight pieces on because I have everything in my head, right? You know, I seen a picture. I was real inspired today. I got up, you know, I wanted to do something with my hair. So I'm following this picture. So I'm trying to, you know, do my little thug thizzle. You see me taking the little pieces out, putting a little bleach on there or whatever. And yeah, so I'm thinking it's all gonna be, you know, cute. I got my little plan. I got my little strategy of how I'm gonna do this. I wanted it to be like, I still wanted it to be like mostly black with brown and then like blonde highlights. Like I wanted like, you know, little peaks of blonde or whatever, you know, real creative, real arrogant Tay, giving, you know, giving Slade by Jordan, you feel me? But that's not what I got. So yeah. And over here, y'all see me, I'm doing my little, you know, little bleaching or whatever. You can see the bottom is turning pretty fast. But I'm actually using 40 volume developer. I know I didn't tell you, I forgot. I'm using 40 volume developer because I didn't have no other developer, and I feel like it might have been, I thought it was gonna be too strong. I thought it was looking gonna come out like blonde, and then I was like, damn, like it's too strong, so it'll be too light. I'm not gonna like it. But y'all gonna see what happened. So I wanted to do the little streaks in the front, so that's what I'm doing here. Got it from the root to the tip, so I'm doing that. And I let this sit for 30 minutes for the first round. I let it sit for 30 minutes. I came back and I washed it. And y'all gonna see the outcome.
All right, so this is what it do to your fingers. Hold on. Y'all see that? First of all, y'all see the camera quality, like period. But this is what it does to your fingers and stuff like that. And it washes off, like as soon as you get in the shower, it does wash off. But it is kind of annoying to look at. And it was, my thumb was burning. It is stinging a little bit right here. But wear gloves. This is why y'all should wear gloves. I don't, you know, like I said, I don't really wear gloves, but I'm gonna just start wearing gloves so I don't have to go through this. My other hand is pretty okay except for this one, but it's just the thumb, and I don't know if that could become worse, so just wear gloves.
So as y'all could tell in the previous clip, I got me a little chemical burn, y'all. Let me tell y'all, this shit got worse. Like, it wasn't that good. I mean, it wasn't that bad in the little clip I showed you. But as you can see, I proceeded to not use gloves because I don't know why. But I didn't have gloves on top of that, but I did, but I didn't go get it. So here I am just finishing up the first round of putting the bleach on and stuff like that. And I completely forgot to record for some reason. I thought it was recording. I guess it wasn't recording. But I didn't record me doing the second round. But y'all, it don't matter because look at it. Look what happened when I washed it out. This is the first time I washed it out, right? It was like still brown. I'm like, okay, cool. Like it's not as light as I wanted it to be. But when it dries, it's going to be, you know, where it's supposed to. So I'm over here, as y'all can see in the clip, but I just keep recording the same thing because I'm like, this ain't what it's supposed to look like. This ain't giving what it's supposed to give. So I got my little fan and I put it to the hair because I'm not about to, you know, stand there with a whole blow dryer. And I'm like, okay, cool. Like it's gonna be brown. And in between this, when it dried and stuff like that, I did go in with the second round. Like I said, I didn't get to show you guys, but I did go in there and then I washed it out and did the same thing again. And then y'all, let me show you what happened. Just watch. Look at this. It's all brown. There ain't no black in this hair. It's straight brown. Straight dookie brown. Like there is no black. So I'm over here looking, you know, trying to find the black. Maybe ain't no black in this hair, y'all. So I'm like, dang. Okay. On top of that, I did 2 rounds of bleach, and tell me why it came out the same color as the first round. It did not get lighter or nothing. This, what y'all see right now, is exactly how it looked after I washed it out the first time and dried it with the first round of bleach. So I'm like, dang, okay. So you know what? It is what it is. You know, brown still gonna be cute on me. It's not what I wanted. As y'all can see right here, the hair is still very much, it's not crunchy. It didn't get fried. It's basically straight out the pack. Like, it was still very nice, soft, silky, all that good stuff, right? No stiff weave over here. So I just thought this part was a little bit satisfying because, you know, can't have no stiff weave, because y'all been through it, like when you bleach your hair and then it just gets mad crunchy and stiff. So yeah, look, bruh, oh my god, y'all, do y'all see that hairline on top of that? Like, the edges just ripped out because I was just doing too much, and it is what it is. So here I was just cutting the layers and stuff like that, because I'm gonna do some pin curls, some flat iron curls, and yeah. And I know some people probably looking at me like, why didn't you use aluminum foil to bleach the hair? Well, girl, my parents is black. They is not about to let me waste matte aluminum foil on some hair. That was just not gonna fly. So as you can see here, I'm over here layering the hair. This is all the shedding that I got from cutting off the layers and stuff like that. And I put some heat protectant spray, and then I went to go ahead and get my flat iron and did some curls. So now you can see me spraying at least like half the bottle on the hair because I used a lot of heat protectant. And then get your little flat iron ready, and once your flat iron is up to like 500 degrees, go ahead and start doing the little pin curls. I mean, I didn't really think it was necessary to give y'all a tutorial on how I did my curls because it's kind of common sense. It's 2021. Everybody knows how to do curls with a flat iron by now. So I'm just curling it and pinning it up. And then in the end, it came out really nice. This is how it looks in the end. And this is after I shook it out and everything. So y'all know that TikTok trend of the girl with the 70s hairstyle and stuff like that. Remember how she shook her hair? That's what I did here. So this was like a little TikTok. I used a filter for it. But I went on TikTok and made a little video, shook my hair out, and then that's how I got all that body yaddy in my hair. Period. So this is the final result. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to give this video a big like, comment. I don't even know what to say. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.
Give me a Kim, I can't describe it, just give me a minute. Why he ain't gonna tell me about my